Today we are going to compare and learn Nitin Spinners Limited and Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, and we will see which company is having more potential to further grow in the coming days. As we know, due to COVID last year and nationwide lockdown, the mills are closed. However, as soon as lockdowns are getting relaxed, there was a short supply demand mismatch, where production capacity is not fully utilized and there is a demand for more cotton and products than the supply, and hence we can see these mills earlier which were making losses, they have turned around and started making profit from December onwards. If we compare Nitin Spinners and Lakshmi Mills Limited, so they have increased the sales, they have started showing very good profit, net profit in December, March and June quarter. Okay, so Nitin Spinners, they have declared result on 6th of August and its share price is increased linearly, and in last 1 month it has almost double. Lakshmi Mills Company Limited result is expected on 12th of August. So I am expecting, in my view, sales around 76 crore, net profit around 8 crore, with equity share capital of 6.96, with the earning per share around rupees 110, with a face value of rupees 100, with the promoter holding which is increasing to 63.36, debt to equity ratio of 0.15, and a book value of 6,853. So if you compare Nitin Spinner and Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, there is a huge potential in Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, where the price is not appreciated that much compared to Nitin Spinners Limited. So once the results are announced, based on the result, based on the earning per share and the visibility, this share Lakshmi Mills Company Limited is going to further grow and double. So only thing is patience is required and we have to wait. So the reasons are, cotton yarn prices are increased compared to last June quarter to this June quarter, 46% there is an increase. Similarly, there is an increase in cotton prices. However, there is a difference. Normally, cotton yarn prices will follow raw material cotton prices. However, this time it is reverse. Cotton yarn prices increased first, after that cotton prices. So there is a leverage to spinner companies. So also there is a short supply. Okay, earlier they used to give via debt their products, but now people are ready to give in advance because there is a huge demand and supply shortage. Also, this is due to export. There are more exports happening since USA is banned China's cotton yarn products due to Xinjiang region issue. Hence, net, if you see the cotton yarn derivative market, in July also cotton yarn prices increased, in August also it is in increasing trend. It is going to increase because of unlocking. As soon as the vaccinations percentage increases, where more and more relaxation happen and people are expected to work from their respective offices, the demand for textile products will increase, which in turn increase the demand for spinning mills. Hence, the sector as a whole, the spinning mill companies started turnaround and making profits, which will be good from the shareholders' point of view. So, one has to do their own research, contact their financial advisor, and take a corresponding action. However, they can do this analysis and see that there is a large potential available in Lakshmi Mills Company Limited. So one can have a look and review on this share for further growth. Thank you.